We have started three-dimensional coordinates in 1B set. Okay, let us continue with the problems. If A is minus 2 comma 2 comma 3, B is 13 comma minus 3 comma 13, and 3PA is equal to 2PB. Find locus of P. Solution. Let P is x comma y. What is the A point? Minus 2 comma 2 comma 13. What is the B point? 13 comma minus 3 comma 13. Okay. Right. Now given 3PA is equal to 2PB. Square both the sides. SBS means squaring both the sides. 9PA square is equal to 4PB square. Right? Now 9 into PA means distance formula, sir. X minus of minus become plus. X plus 2 whole square, y minus 2 whole square, sorry, x comma y comma z, because 3-dimensional. So z minus 13 whole square is equal to 4 into, okay, it is 3, sir, not minus 3. Okay, so this becomes 3. 2 minus 2 comma 2 comma 3. So minus 2 comma 2 comma 3. So here under root of x minus 13 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square plus z minus 13 whole square. Right? So this square roots will get cancelled. 9 into, expand this, sir, x square plus 4x plus 4, then y square minus 4y plus 4. Next one, z square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 4 into x square plus 169 minus 26x, a minus b whole square. Next step, y square plus 6y plus 9. Next to last one, z square minus 26z plus 169. The values will come bigger. Writing here, next step, 9 into, first I will write x square, y square plus z square. Right? Next, 4x plus 4x minus 4y minus here 6z. Okay, z square minus 6z. So minus 6z. Then numbers. Here 4. Here 4, 8. 8 plus 9, 17 is equal to 4 into, again, x square, y square, z square. Next, 26x minus 26x plus 6y minus 26z. Then numbers, 169, 9, 169. 169 plus 169, 338 plus 9, 347. Right? So if you add, you get this. So open the bracket. 9x square plus 9y square plus 9z square plus 36x minus 36y minus 54z plus 90, 153. If you multiply 17 into 9, it is 153. Here 4x square plus 4y square plus 4z square. This is 104, x plus 24y minus 104z plus 347 into 4. So 28, 2, 16, 8, 1, 1388. Okay. So what will happen? 364 into 347. So we get this. Right? Now bring the term this side. I am writing directly. 9x square minus means 5x square plus 5y square plus 5z square. Next, minus 104 if you bring here, it becomes plus 104. So it becomes 140x. Next, minus 24 if you bring here, it becomes minus 24. So 60y. Minus 54 here, minus 104. Okay, minus 158 z plus next here 153 minus 1388 5 3 1235 is equal to 0. Now look at here, some mistake is there. Let us see what are the points. Minus 2 comma 2 comma 3, so it becomes z minus 3, so minus 65. Okay, plus 9 here, x square minus plus 169 minus 26x, here plus 65, here also minus 26. So here x square plus y square plus z square minus 26x, here 9 is 54. Okay, here 54z, here plus 24y, so it will become 60, and here 54z, here 104. If you bring here, it becomes plus, so this becomes minus 54z, here plus 104z, so it is 50z plus 50z. So I am bringing minus 104, it becomes plus, here minus 54, so it becomes plus 50z. Okay, now cancel by 5 table. X square plus y square plus z square plus 28z minus 12z 12y 28x minus 12y plus 10z plus 2z 4z 7z. Okay, here is a locus problem, so sometimes he will give you for 2 marks, sometimes he may not give you, but you have to know this. Let's copy this. What is the next problem? Show that 0 comma 4 comma 1 2 comma 3 comma minus 1 4 comma 5 comma 0 2 comma 6 comma 2 points forms a sides of a square. Okay, first let A is 1, B is 2 comma 3 comma minus 1, C is 4 comma 5 comma 0, D is 2 comma 6 comma 2. Now we have to find AB. Use the distance formula. You know very well, A, B, C, D and diagonals. Okay, so 2 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 whole square. Right? So what will happen? 4 plus 1 plus 4 root 9. So AB is equal to how much? Root. Next we have to find out BC. What is BC? 4 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square plus 0 of 0 1 whole square. So this becomes 4 plus 4 plus 1 root 9. BC. Next one. BC is over. Next CD. Root of CD. 2 minus 4 whole square 6 minus 5 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square. This is 4 plus 4 plus 1. Sorry, 1 plus 4 is equal to root 9. Next DA. DA. This one based on these two. 2 minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 1 whole square. So this will be 4 plus 4 plus 1. So what is DA? Root 9. Next diagonal. Diagonal AC. So you have to find distance between A and C. Between A and C. So what will happen? 4 minus 0 whole square, 5 minus 4 whole square, plus 0 minus 1 whole square. So this because 4 minus 0 is 4, so 16 plus 1 plus 1. So how much we get? Root 18. Next, diagonal BD. So BD is equal to distance between B and D. So 2 minus 2 whole square plus 6 minus 3 whole square plus 2 plus 1 whole square. Minus of minus will become. So again BD is equal to root 18. AC is root 18. And now all the sides are equal and diagonals are equal. Therefore, it is a square. Okay. Sometimes in the examination you will say rhombus. What is the rule of rhombus? All the sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. Okay, sometimes you will say rectangle. Okay, opposite sides are equal. I am writing here rules. You can give in examination anything, sir. Opposite sides are equal, diagonals are equal. Next, parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal, diagonals not equal. It is equal, not equal, right? Square, all the sides are equal, diagonals are equal. Rhombus, all the sides are equal, diagonals are not equal. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal, diagonals are equal. Parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, diagonals are not equal. Okay, in the examination you can give anything. So look at it. Please note down. Find the distance between between 3 comma minus 1 comma 2 and midpoint of AB given by A 6 comma 3 comma minus 4, B is minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 2. Means what? First you have to find the midpoint of AB. You know midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, all that we are right. So 6 minus 2 by 2, 3 minus 1 by 2, minus 4 plus 2 by 2. So what will happen? 4 by 2 is 2, 1 minus 1. So you call it as D. And let C is 3 comma minus 1 comma 2. This I am assuming is D. So AB is given. So we are taking AB and the point which you got is called it as D. And given other point is C. So you have to find the CD distance. So 3 minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 whole square plus 2 plus 1 whole square. So 1 plus 4 plus 9. How much we get? Root 14. Right? So here we have to use the midpoint formula, then distance formula. Okay. Right. One more problem is there, sir. What is one more problem? Look at here. If 1 comma 3 comma 4 and 3 comma 4 comma 1 are the opposite vertices of square, then find its length. Okay, now I am drawing a diagram. Understand here the meaning of problem. You call it as A point, sir. 1 comma 3 comma 4 and this is 3 comma 4 comma 1. and this is a, you say A, this is A. You know in the square, what is that? This is called diagonal. What is the diagonal? Root to A. If you say this is A, this is A, this will be root to A. This is very, very important. Therefore, distance between A and C is equal to root to A. Therefore, first I have to find distance. 3 minus 1 whole square plus 4 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. So, this is 4 plus 1 plus 9 is equal to what, sir? Root to A. Therefore, root 14 is equal to root to A. Therefore, A is equal to root 7. So, 14 is equal to root 2A. So, 2 will go 7 times. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 9 is 14. So, what is the A value? Root 7. Therefore, length of side of a square is root 7. Okay, here all these problems are based on distance formulas. Okay, different models are given, so you have to find out. Please note on this. Find the centroid of triangle given by sides. What is this? What is this? 1 comma 3 comma 4, 3 comma minus 4 comma 2, and 1 comma 7 comma 8. Now, what is the centroid formula? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, then z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. Right? So, here direct formula. x1 means directly 1 plus 3 plus 1 by 3, comma 3 minus 4 plus 7 by 3, comma 4 plus 2 plus 8 by 3. So, this becomes g into 5 by 3, 10 means 6 by 3, then 14 by 3. Here simplification is not required. So, it is a direct formula. 2 marks questions are he can give you. Okay, now if origin is centroid of a triangle whose two vertices are R 1 comma 1 comma 1 and minus 2 comma 4 comma 1, then find third vertex. Right, is asked to find. Let C x comma y comma z is the third vertex. So, I am writing x comma y comma z is the third vertex. What is the centroid formula? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. This is given as what, sir? Origin means G 0 comma 0 comma 0. Now, here x1 means the given 1 minus 2 plus x by 3. Next one 1 plus 4 plus y by 3. Next one 1 plus z by 3 is equal to what, sir? 0 comma 0 comma 0. So, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. is equal to 0. Next one, 5 plus z by 3 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. So cross multiplication will give you 0, 0. Sorry, this is y. 5 plus y is equal to 0. 2 plus z is equal to 0. So what is the x value? 1. What is the y value? Minus 5. What is the z value? Minus 2. Therefore, third vertex is equal to 1 comma minus 5 comma minus 2. So here we are finding centroid. Here with the centroid we are finding the third vertex. Okay, please note on this. Next, find the centroid of tetrahedron. Find the centroid of tetrahedron whose vertices are 5 comma 4 comma 6, 1 comma minus 1 comma 3. Next one, 4 comma 3 comma 2 and 4 comma 4 comma 4. Right? Now, therefore, centroid of tetrahedron is what, sir? x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 by 4. Next one, y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 by 4. Next one, z1 plus z2 plus z3 plus z4 by 4. Okay, so G is equal to x1 5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4 by 4 comma 4 minus 1 plus 3 plus 4 by 4 comma 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 by 4. So 6, 10, 14. Next 7, 11, 11 minus 1 is 10 by 4. 9, 11, 15 by 4. No need of simplification, sir. Leave the answer. It is a 2 marks question. Here formula is 1 mark, application is 1 mark. Okay. Next. If 3 comma 2 comma minus 1, 4 comma 1 comma 1 and 6 comma 2 comma 5 are 3 vertices of tetrahedron whose centroid is 4 comma 2 comma 2. Find whose centroid is 4 comma 2 comma 2. Find fourth vertex. Okay, solution. Let x comma y comma z is the fourth vertex. Right? Centroid formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 by 4 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 by 4 z1 plus z2 plus z3 plus z4 by 4 is equal to what, sir? 4 comma 2 comma 2. Now I will substitute the values. What is x1? 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus x by 4 is equal to 4. Next one, y1 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus y by 4 is equal to 2. Next one, z1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus z by 4 is equal to 2. So this becomes 10, 13 by 4 is equal to 4. Next 5 plus y by 4 is equal to 2. Next minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. 5z4 is equal to 2. cross multiplication. 13 plus x is equal to 16, 5 plus y is equal to 8, 5 plus z is equal to 8. Bring 13 this side, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 3. Therefore, fourth vertex is 3 comma 3 comma 3. So what we have seen, centroid of tetrahedron formula, with the centroid we have to find the fourth vertex. Similarly, centroid of the triangle, third vertex. Okay, these are the models. Then next class, tomorrow class, we will finish off ratio problem, sir. With that, this chapter will be over. This chapter is a very simple chapter, sir. Only 1-2 marks will come. Next chapter is very important. That is a 7 marks weightage. Okay.